What if I told you that this is how much I made in 1 month through affiliate marketing? If you have been watching videos about affiliate marketing, but you still haven't started because you don't know exactly what to do first, this video is for you. I'm going to give you a simple 7-day affiliate marketing starter plan that you can follow even if you're a complete beginner. You don't have a huge following and you've never made an affiliate sale before. And the goal is not to overwhelm you with 50 different strategies. The goal is to help you build a simple system, one step at a time. So by the end of the 7 days, you should have chosen your niche, identified what your audience needs, selected an affiliate product, created content, set up a free resource, and started putting your offer in front of real people. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Brenda Odosen. On this channel, I help beginners learn how to create and sell digital products, start an e-commerce business, use affiliate marketing to build a simple sales system. So if you're a beginner in this space without huge followings, this is the channel you need to be. If you're interested in learning practical ways to build an online business, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. Now, let's go through your 7-day plan. Day 1, choose your niche. Your first task is to choose a niche. And please, don't overcomplicate this. A niche is simply the group of people you want to help or main topic you want to create content around. For example, your niche could be beauty, fitness, parenting, online business, digital product, fashion, personal finance, travel, career development, AI tools, or even e-commerce. The mistake I see beginners make is trying to promote everything. Today, they are talking about skincare. Tomorrow, they're talking about making money. That makes it difficult to build an audience that knows exactly what you're selling. On day 1, ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, what do I already know? Question 2, what could I comfortably create content on? Question 3, are there products in this area that I could potentially promote? For example, if you're interested in digital products, you can eventually promote design software, AI tools, course platforms, email marketing tools, or even a training program. Your day 1 action is simple. Write down 3 possible niches. Choose one and commit to starting there. You can always refine it later. Day 2, research 10 problems your audience has. Day 2 is where affiliate marketing starts becoming interesting because people do not buy product just because you have an affiliate link. They buy because they have a problem they want solved. So your task today is to identify at least 10 problems your target audience has. Let's say your niche is digital product. Your audience might be asking questions like, how do I create an ebook? What digital products should I sell? How do I design a professional cover? How do I sell without followers? How do I even collect payment? Those questions are gold because every question can become a piece of content and every problem can potentially lead to a useful product recommendation. For a free resources on how to identify and validate your niche, check the description in this video. I have made available a free resources for you to access. Day 2 task is to write down 10 problems. Do not look for product yet. Focus on understanding the customer first. Day 3, choose one affiliate product. Now that you understand the problem, day 3 is about finding one product that solves one of them. And I said one product intentionally. You do not need 15 affiliate links. You need one relevant offer that you can understand and explain. For example, if one problem is, I don't know how to design my digital product, then a digital tool might make sense. If the problem is, I need some way to sell my product, then an e-commerce or digital storefront platform could make sense. And if the problem is, how can I generate sales without followers, then paid advertisement could make sense. Now, this is how the commission structure is worth promoting. Do not choose something simply because the commission is high. Before you join any affiliate program, ask yourself, would I actually recommend this? Does this genuinely solve the problem? Can I explain how it works? Is the company trustworthy? And lastly, Is the commission structure worth promoting? A high commission on a poor product is not a good business strategy. Your reputation matters. So, day 3, choose one product that genuinely fits one of the 10 problems you identified yesterday. For day 4, join the program and understand the rules. Day 4 is about setting up the business side. Apply for the affiliate program. And when you are accepted, do not immediately grab your link and start posting everywhere. Read the rules. Look for things like how much commission do you earn? When do they pay? And also, how long does the tracking last? Your day 4 task is to join one program, read its terms, and save your affiliate link somewhere safe. For day 5, create your first digital tutorial. This is one of the most important days. Today, create your content, but I do not want you to create an advertisement. I want you to create a tutorial. Remember one of the problems you researched. Take that problem and turn it into content. For example, how to create ebook cover as a beginner, or how to create your first digital product. If the affiliate product actually solves a problem, introduce it. You might say something like, this is a tool I'm using in this tutorial. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. That is very different from simply saying, buy this. Remember, you are helping first, selling second. Your day 5 task is to create one useful tutorial. It could be a YouTube video, a reel, a TikTok, blog post, or even a detailed Facebook post. But make sure the content solves a real problem. Day 6, create a free resource. Now, let's make the system stronger. On day 6, create something free that your audience would actually want. This is sometimes called a lead magnet, and it does not need to be complicated. You could create a checklist, a short PDF guide, a list of tools, a template, or even a planner. For example, if your niche is digital product, you could create 50 digital product ideas for beginners, or 20 ChatGPT prompts to help you create a digital product. The reason this is useful is because not everybody watching your content will be ready to buy immediately, but they might be interested enough to collect your free resource. And once they join your email list or community, you can continue helping them. That gives you another opportunity to recommend relevant product later. Your day 6 task is to create one simple free resource. Do not spend 3 weeks designing it. Make it useful, make it clear, and get it finished. Day 7, publish, promote, and start collecting data. Now we get to day 7. This is where many people get nervous. You have to publish. You have to put the content in front of people. Your first video may not get 10,000 views. That is okay. The purpose of the first week is to start collecting information. After you publish, look at a few things. How many people watched? How long did they stay? Did they click your link? Did anyone download your free resource? Did you get any questions? Did anybody buy? And if nobody buys immediately, do not automatically decide affiliate marketing does not work. Your day 7 task is to publish, promote, and look at the numbers. Now, what happens after day 7? Here is a part I really want you to understand. Day 7 is not the end. It is the beginning. You repeat the process. You create another tutorial. You answer another problem. You improve your call to action. You test another piece of content. You grow your email list, and you learn what your audience responds to. And over time, you start building a system. So instead of thinking, I need to make thousands this week, I want you to think, I need to create a system that can eventually produce consistent sales. That change in mindset matters. So after these 7 days, your system should look something like this. Your niche gives you the audience gives you the problem. The problems gives you content ideas. The content attracts people. The product provides solution. The free resources helps you collect leads. And your follow-up gives you more opportunities to make sales. That is affiliate marketing in a much practical way. If you have been procrastinating because you do not know where to start, I want you to use this 7-day plan. Do not try to do everything today. Start with day one. Choose your niche. Tomorrow, research your audience and keep moving. You do not need a perfect website. You do not need thousands of followers. You do not need 20 affiliate programs. You need one audience, one problem, one useful offer, and consistent action. If you want me to create another video where I take you step by step through finding an affiliate program, applying, getting your affiliate link, and creating your first promotional content, comment stats below. And if this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. I've put together a free 7-day plan in your affiliate marketing journey. Check the description in this video to access yours. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.